The next build of One UI 8 is here, and there is a nice surprise that you might want to know about. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. And overnight, again, we've got another build for One UI 8 on the S25 Ultra. Now, there hasn't really been much advancements in terms of new feature set. We're close to the end now. This isn't a beta. This is what we are considering like a final build, or at least a test final build. That is an internal build only. Customer facing will never happen with this particular build that we've got here. But what we've been able to dig up is a couple of features that we think you might like. One in particular, I'm a huge fan of. So I may as well jump straight into the feature that I'm talking about because it's to do with audio eraser, which is one of my favorite features on a Samsung that was launched this year. The first thing is that audio eraser has expanded. So with this build here, I've noticed that in voice recorder, so if I go into, that's not the tools folder, there it is. Go into the tools folder and into my voice recorder app. This was one that I recorded yesterday. So I might just record one now again, because I want to show you how this works. The whole idea of what they've done is they've added in audio eraser into here. And it's not just the same way it is with video in the gallery. It's done instantly. So what we can see is if I go and stop this now, save that. And then if I go back into it, you're going to see a button here that is audio eraser. So when I press that, it's automatically going to be erasing the noise live. So it's already done it. And you hit play. The whole idea of what they've done is they've added in audio eraser into here. And it's not just the same way it is with video in the gallery. So if I pause it and then turn it off, it's done instantly. So what we can see is if I go, the whole idea of what they've done is they've added in audio eraser into here. And it's not just the same way it is. You can see when it starts to pick up, which is great. And that's just a little button that they've added in. They've also added it in to Samsung Notes. So if I go into here and I add in what am I looking at here? I'm adding in the plus button, voice recording. It's going to be recording a voice note that's going to be added in. Again, if I stop that, again, audio eraser is right here. So again, I press that and it's going to erase the noise from the recording that it made. The last area where I saw this is in the gallery. So if I go into the gallery and into a video, now you don't see it here, but when I tap on the unmute button, it appears. And then you can hear it drastically reduce the noise straight away live. What this does, it actually mimics what the auto toggle does inside here. So if we go into the actual audio eraser feature and you hit auto, that is the same effect as pressing the button outside. The only thing that I've sort of noticed is that the button that's out here only works out here. It doesn't save it. If you want to save the video with that audio eraser edit applied, you need to go in to this part and then it will add it in. I just thought it was a neat little feature that we were able to find with this latest build. And it just gives us an indication of where Samsung are going with AI. They really want it to be convenient. They're putting the nice touches in a lot of different places so you can use it more efficiently. Big fan of that. And it's coming with this build of One UI 8 that we have here. Outside of that, we haven't noticed much else. There is really the same things that still exist from previous. I did notice this in a previous build that the back swipe now gives you a preview of going back to the home screen in the same way that like the home button does. That's new. Nice little touch. So it was just a quick dip in to show you guys that, because obviously next week is going to be packed or unpacked. That was bad. So hit subscribe to SamMobile TV to make sure you're kept up to date with all of that comings and goings regarding the Unpacked event next week. This is the place you want to be, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.